What's going on, everybody? Got my first unboxing video here. I'll be unboxing a sub I ordered for the Wagon. It's a JL AUDIO 12W3V3-2. This is the 2-ohm version. I couldn't find it locally, so I ended up ordering it from Sonic Electronics. Ordered it on Sunday and got it today, which is Thursday. So real good, fast shipping. Let's see what we've got in here. So we got a registration card, some decals, owner's manual. Sure gives you some more info on the sub and the warranty. And there it is, the JL AUDIO 12W3V3-2. This is a 500 watt RMS subwoofer. I'm going to be powering it with a JL AUDIO 501 monoblock amplifier. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. I might have to put the phone down. Let's see. Oh, there we go. There she is. It's a decent sized magnet on it. We'll get it in the sub box and get it hooked up and see how it sounds. Alright, so I got the sub hooked up and I got it sounding pretty good. Let's see what it does. I got the knob turned all the way down. Go ahead and put it midway right down. Volume is at about a 10. Let me just take you somewhere secret. Gonna just lifestyle. It's all about your world. You gotta just know it. We feel that share all private thoughts of touches. I'll put your secret. Be simple about the things and like that. You fight for plus forget what you heard about me. But there's no pressure. Man, I know it's kind of hard for a video to pick it up, and man, this thing's hidden for it to just be 112. I do have it in the bootleg pro box, but it does sound good, man. I'm not gonna lie. So overall, yeah, I'd say it's a good sub so far. We'll see how it lasts over time. Thanks for checking it out.